Good morning, my dear students. So, welcome to today's English class after a short break. So, today we'll read our chapter number 4, An Indian American Woman, Kalpana Chawla. Right? So, this is really gonna be very interesting chapter to read. But before that, let's begin our class with the tradition of our class, and that is idiom of the week. So, the idiom of this week is be thin on the ground. If things are thin on the ground, there are not many of them, especially within a particular area. Means अगर हम कहते हैं कि कोई चीज thin on the ground है, that means that thing is not available vastly. वो ज्यादा अमाउंट में अवेलेबल नहीं है, and that too within a specific area, within a particular area. And this idiom will be clearer to you with the help of examples. So first example is, greengrocers shops are rather thin on the ground in this part of town. Who are greengrocers? Who sells vegetables and fruits? So their shops are thin on the ground in this part of town. टाउन के इस पार्ट में, शहर के इस पार्ट में ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स की शॉप्स, दे आर नॉट मैनी, दे आर जस्ट अ फ्यू इन नंबर्स. ठीक है, तो हम उन शॉप्स को कह सकते हैं कि दीज शॉप्स आर थिन ऑन द ग्राउंड. एंड अनदर एग्जांपल इज, क्वालिफाइड मैकेनिक्स आर थिन ऑन द ग्राउंड दीज डेज, सो दे यूजुअली अर्न वेरी हाई वेजेस. सो दैट मीन्स कि जब हम मैकेनिक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, क्वालिफाइड मैकेनिक्स, सो दे आर थिन ऑन द ग्राउंड दीज डेज. आजकल वो कम मिलते हैं, इसलिए उनकी जो वेजेस होती हैं, दोज आर क्वाइट हाई. हम अपने घरों में भी देखा है कि अगर हम किसी मैकेनिक को घर में बुलाते हैं तो वो हमसे काफी वेजेस दे डिमांडेड. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर थिन ऑन द ग्राउंड. I hope this idiom is clear to you. So from tomorrow onwards, it is your turn to give me example, and I can ask any one of you. So any one of you, so be ready with the examples. Be thin on the ground. Okay, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
My job is pretty great. I get to learn about amazing animals and places and do fun experiments with all of you. And you know another job that seems really great? You might even say it's out of this world? Being an astronaut. Astronauts are people who travel and work in space. Going to space seems like a big adventure, and it is, but that's not why astronauts go to space. At least, it's not the main reason. Astronauts go to space so they can learn more about what's beyond our planet. They spend weeks, months, or even a whole year away from their friends and family to study space in person. Then, they come back home and share their new knowledge with all of us. Do you want to go to space? If you do, maybe you want to know exactly what it takes to be an astronaut and what they do up there all day before you sign up. Let's find out what it takes to be an astronaut. The fact is, practically anybody can become an astronaut. You don't even have to be a certain age. You just have to have a few main things under your belt. For one thing, you have to have studied science in college, which means you pretty much have to be a grown-up or a young adult. You also have to have spent some time, specifically 3 years, actually doing the science that you've studied. That's because most astronauts are actually scientists. And there are all kinds of scientists who work in space, some of which we've talked about before, like biologists, or astronomers, or chemists. Finally, to be an astronaut, you have to go through a special physical checkup, because living in space, where you're always floating around in low gravity and in a crowded spacecraft, can be really hard on your body. So everyone wants to make sure you're healthy enough to do it. But that's about it. Thousands of people sign up to become astronauts, but only a very few are actually chosen to go on a mission. After years of training, those lucky few finally get sent to space, where they have some really important jobs to do. What kind of jobs are there? Well, some astronauts are pilots. Their job is to get the spacecraft where it needs to go safely. They're also in charge of getting the craft back to Earth. Astronauts that aren't pilots are called called mission specialists, and they perform a lot of different jobs. One of those jobs is to work with the pilots to keep the spacecraft and equipment working. This means they inspect the spacecraft and its different parts every day to make sure everything is doing just what it's supposed to do. Another job for mission specialists is doing experiments, where scientists try different things to see what happens. Many of those experiments are done in the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS is in orbit around the Earth and was built for astronauts to work and live in for long periods of time. Some of the experiments that have been done on the space station have been things like growing zucchinis to see how vegetables grow in space. Other scientists have looked at how different animals like flies or even squids get used to life in space. Another important job astronauts do is to help launch satellites. These are machines that fly in orbit around the Earth, and they can do all sorts of things, like take pictures of the Earth, or help us know what the weather's going to be like, or send signals for television and radio. Now, most of the time, astronauts do their jobs inside the space station or their spacecraft. But for some jobs, astronauts have to suit up and go for a spacewalk. A spacewalk is when an astronaut leaves the spacecraft to do their job outside in space, and it's one of the toughest jobs that astronauts do. Astronauts do spacewalks when they need to fix or build something on the outside of the spacecraft, and to do that, they have to wear special spacesuits. There's no air in space, and it's really, really cold. So these special suits protect the astronauts from the cold and give them air to breathe. They're also protected by being tethered or tied to the spacecraft by a long cable that keeps them from floating away. Being an astronaut sounds like hard work, but you get to see our planet from space and conduct awesome experiments and work on cool technology every day and even go for spacewalks. So what do you think? Do you want to be an astronaut? Keep learning as much as you can about space and science, and who knows, one day it might be you up there. And let us help you get there. If you have a question for us about space or, well, any question really, just let us know by leaving a comment below or sending us an email to kids@thescishow.com. And we'll see you next time.
Yes, Bete, did you watch the video? Bete ji, did you watch the video that I just played on my laptop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So just raise your hands and tell me what was the video about? What has been told about in this video? Yes, Astik.
Ma'am, this video was about astronauts.
Astronauts. So what has been told about astronauts? Can you tell me one or two things?
Ma'am, in this video is told that the astronauts are person who go to space to discover different things.
Yes, to have some experiments to discover some things. And Shriyan Gupta, can you tell me something else?
Ma'am, the astronauts are
Anji?
the astronauts should be very intelligent in science, and they should be scientists.
Yes, they should have a proper degree in science, aeronautical engineering, right? Only then you can become an astronaut. Anything else? Parneet?
Ma'am, astronauts wear special spacesuits because in the space there is no oxygen.
Yes, there is no air in the space, so they wear a special spacesuits. Okay, can you name one or two astronauts? Yes, Bete, can you name one or two astronauts? Yes, Satvik.
Ma'am, Kalpana Chawla, Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. Very good. Gunpreet. Gunpreet, can you tell?
Ma'am, Kalpana Chawla and Neil Armstrong.
Kalpana Chawla, Neil Armstrong. I think everyone knows about them only because we know Kalpana Chawla because she is an Indian. She was an Indian woman who went to America, who joined NASA, and who was just on her mission to space. And Neil Armstrong, we know him because he was the first person who kept his foot on the moon. And who was the first Indian to place his step forward in the moon? First of all, वो कौन सा ऐसा इंडियन एस्ट्रोनॉट था जिसने चांद पे अपना कदम रखा था? Yes, Akshara, you are right, bete. Rakesh Sharma. So you can name him also. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian astronaut who just placed his foot on the moon. First of all, from India. I'm just talking about Indian, right? So the chapter that we are going to read just tells us about the astronaut. What do you need to do to become an astronaut? What is there in their life? And mostly, the most importantly, we are going to read about Kalpana Chawla, an Indian American woman. Why do we say her Indian American? Because basically she was Indian, but when she went to America to have further studies, and she completed her aeronautical engineering over there, and then she was selected by NASA, so she became a naturalized citizen of America, and she also married an American. That is why she is known as Indian American woman. So it will be clearer to you when we'll go ahead with the chapter. So let's read it. So before you read, in 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia. Aboard means to be on or into a spaceship. जब आप एक spaceship पे जाते हो, and it was US Space Shuttle. What is space shuttle, bete? What is a space shuttle? Bolo. Yes, Riddhi. Riddhi, bolo bete. Pranay Gaba, you tell me what is a space shuttle?
Ma'am, spaceship.
Spaceship means एक ऐसा जो बॉडी तैयार की होती है स्पेसशिप की, उसी को हम स्पेस शटल भी कह देते हैं, जिसके अंदर जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स हैं, दे जस्ट सिट एंड दे कीप एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड दे डू एवरीथिंग इनसाइड दैट बॉडी. तो स्पेसशिप को ही स्पेस शटल का नाम दे दिया जाता है. शटल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट स्पेसशिप, एंड द नेम ऑफ द स्पेस शटल वाज Columbia. अंतरिक्ष यान. Yes, someone gave me answer. This is अमानत सैनी. अंतरिक्ष यान in Hindi. चलिए, it is अंतरिक्ष यान. दिलशान सिंह, very nice bete. So the name of the space shuttle was Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. So Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who just went into a spaceship, and she just traveled the space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. बेटे, जो स्पेस शटल्स होते हैं ना, जो हमारे स्पेस शिप्स होते हैं, दे आर नॉट मेंट फॉर ओनली वन जर्नी. दे कीप ऑन विजिटिंग द स्पेस ऑन कंटिन्यूअस बेसिस. एक बार चले गए, वहां आपने जो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने हैं वो किए, जो आपने पता करना था वो किया, एंड देन दैट स्पेसशिप कम्स बैक एंड देन इट अगेन गोज बैक. तो फिर दूसरी बार ये जाता है, एंड द क्रू इज डिफरेंट. एवरी टाइम द क्रू इज डिफरेंट. क्रू इज द मेंबर्स, द टीम ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉट्स. उसको हम क्रू कह देते हैं, मेंबर्स कह देते हैं, ठीक है. बट जो सेकेंड मिशन था कोलंबिया का, अदरवाइज वन स्पेस शटल इज गुड फॉर 100 ट्रेवल्स. इसको हम 100 ट्रेवल्स तक के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, एक स्पेस शटल को. बट व्हाट हैपेंड विद कोलंबिया, दैट इट एंडेड इन ट्रेजेडी. ये अपने सेकंड मिशन में ही इसका जो एंड था वो ट्रेजेडी में इसका एंड हुआ. Am I clear about this point? बेटे, is this paragraph clear to you? जो एक स्पेस शटल है उससे हम कम से कम 100 बार ट्रेवल कर सकते हैं स्पेस में, बट कोलंबिया जो था इट जस्ट एंडेड इन ट्रेजेडी इन इट्स सेकंड मिशन ओनली. सेकंड मिशन में ही ये खत्म हो गया. So an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. Unlike a rocket. अब जो rocket होता है ना, when it is launched, it cannot be used again. इसको हम दोबारा से लॉन्च नहीं कर सकते हैं. रॉकेट एक बार शूट किया तो ये जहां जाना है चला जाएगा and it cannot be used again. Whereas a spacecraft or space shuttle can be used for repeated space travels. इसे हम repeatedly कई travels कर सकते हैं. For example, between Earth and a space station. अब स्पेस पे कोई भी स्टेशन हो सकता है, मून हो सकता है, मार्स हो सकता है, हम किसी भी प्लैनेट पे जा सकते हैं. एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस नो दैट द प्लैनेट्स दे जस्ट मूव इन अ फिक्स्ड ऑर्बिट. पता है सबको व्हाट इज एन ऑर्बिट? बेटे रेज योर हैंड्स. यस आस्तिक, व्हाट इज एन ऑर्बिट बेटे?
Ma'am, a path where planets revolve around sun.
Yes, a path, a fixed path. It is an oval path. एक ऐसा oval path होता है जिसके around जो planets है वो चक्कर लगाते हैं sun के around. Sun is the focus of the planets and there are 8 planets in the space. So all the 8 planets they just revolve around the sun in their fixed path. Even our Earth revolves around the sun in a fixed path. So जहाँ भी जिस भी space station पे हमने जाना है वहां से जो हमारा स्पेसशिप है वो अर्थ से लेके उस स्पेस स्टेशन तक ट्रेवल करता है उस स्पेसक्राफ्ट में. ओके, सो यूज अ डिक्शनरी टू डू द टास्क्स बिलो. फाइंड आउट द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस. लुक अप द वर्ड्स अंडरलाइंड इन द फ्रेजेस. बेटे, these all phrases and words we are going to read in our chapter only. हम chapter में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, but it is your homework for today. Note down your homework. It is your homework for today that you will find the meanings of these phrases and you will write the meanings in your book only. So naturalized US citizen, space, frontiers of space, abort, lift off. How is it different from take off? So there is a difference between lift off and take off. So what is the difference? Crew. Notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? Bete, I just want you to like the thing that there are 2 types of English in the world that we people speak. One is British English and another is American English. So American English or British English में there are some differences in spellings and there are some differences in pronunciation also. ठीक है, but we Indians we follow British English. हम जो भी हम British English का follow करते हैं, we don't follow American English. So these are the spellings. So this is how these words are spelled in American English. So how they are spelled in British English? Kindly find out that also. That is your homework. Now a news report. Before starting the chapter, we'll read about a news report. Tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. So that is the news report that has been published in one of the newspapers. So let's read about it. In an unprecedented space tragedy. Unprecedented means never known before. जिसके बारे में हमें पहले नहीं पता था, जिसके बारे में जाना नहीं जा सकता था, मीन्स कि जो अचानक से हो गई. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut, जिसमें कि हमारी इंडिया में born एक अमेरिकन एस्ट्रोनॉट थी. Astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in space and her name was Kalpana Chawla and 6 others. और उसके साथ 6 और crew members भी थे. Along with Kalpana Chawla, there were more 6 astronauts in that space shuttle Columbia broke apart in flames. Flames means, what is the meaning of flames? Bete, what is flames? Yes, Shriyan.
मैम जो रॉकेट से मैम निकलता है मैम, नीचे से फ्लेम निकलता है
Flames is
जिसकी
आग
वजह
की
से
लपटें.
rocket-
बेटे flames is आग की. We are not talking about rocket here. We are talking about space shuttle here. Flames mean आग की लपटें. जब इनको ये क्रैश होते हैं या ये डिस्ट्रॉय होते हैं तो इनको आग लग जाती है एंड flames just they come out of the space shuttles or rockets or aeroplane whatever it is. ठीक है. 6 others broke apart in flames. Broke apart means destroyed. It was completely destroyed in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1 February 2003. So it means ये 1 फरवरी 2003 की बात है and this news is about that time. So उस टाइम पे जब ये it was rushing over Texas. ये टेक्सास के ऊपर से चल रहा था, दौड़ रहा था towards its landing strip. लैंड करने के टाइम, बेटा its landing and launching are quite difficult and stunning. इनकी जो लैंडिंग होती है या लॉन्चिंग होती है that is quite dangerous also. उसके लिए हमें we need to cross our fingers कि successfully हो जाए because many of the aeroplanes or space shuttles or rockets they just break apart while it's launching or during its landing. तो ये भी जो था लैंडिंग के टाइम पे सारा डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया, killing all 7 on board. 7 persons थे along with कल्पना चावला. There were 6 more. तो 6 वो और 7th जो था that was कल्पना चावला and they all got killed. वो सबकी उसी टाइम एट द स्पॉट वहां डेथ हो गई थी. द शटल लॉस्ट कॉन्टेक्ट विद नासा एट अबाउट 9 AM. 9 बजे के करीब, मॉर्निंग के 9 बजे के करीब उस स्पेस शटल का जो कांटेक्ट था दैट गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम नासा. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप कांटेक्ट विद अर्थ स्टेशन. मीन्स जहां से भी वो लॉन्च हुआ है, जहां से भी वो लिफ्ट ऑफ हुआ है, स्पेस शटल टेक ऑफ हुआ है, वहां से उसका कनेक्शन होना बहुत जरूरी है so that we come to know about their activities as it has been revolving successfully or something has not been happened to that space shuttle. So know all these things. It is very important to maintain a contact with the this space stations. So as it came in for landing, जैसे ही वो लैंडिंग के लिए आया, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet. 2 लाख फीट की ऊंचाई पर ये फ्लाई कर रहा था and traveling at over 20,000 किलोमीटर पर आवर. स्पीड देखिए बेटा, 1 आवर में 20,000 किलोमीटर कवर करना. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Ground control means NASA पर जो उसका कांटेक्ट था स्पेस शटल के साथ, जहां से भी वो लॉन्च हुआ था या लिफ्ट ऑफ हुआ था, वहां से उसका कांटेक्ट टूट गया. यस करमन, यू आर रेजिंग हैंड बेटे. एनी डाउट? Karman is not speaking. Anyways, Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center. So beta, I already asked you the difference between takeoff and liftoff. Sanvi, it is visible bete. Just pin on my name and it will appear to you. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003. देखो बेटा 16 जनवरी को वहां से लिफ्ट ऑफ हुआ था और लैंडिंग का टाइम था 1 फरवरी 2003. ठीक है, तो कितने दिन हो गए? यू कैन एस्टिमेट इट वेरी वेल. कैनेडी स्पेस सेंटर, और स्पेस सेंटर था कैनेडी फ्लोरिडा. फ्लोरिडा में दीज ऑल आर पार्ट ऑफ अमेरिका. फ्लोरिडा, टेक्सास, ये सब अमेरिका के अंदर के अमेरिका के पार्ट्स हैं. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey. अभी आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि 1 फरवरी से लेके 16 जनवरी से लेके 1 फरवरी तक कितने दिन बने. It was 16 days. और 7 members का crew था and they conducted 80 experiments over there before their journey towards land. धरती पर आने से पहले इन्होंने 80 एक्सपेरिमेंट किए थे वहां पे, which ended in tragedy. और एंड में ये ट्रेजेडी में खत्म हो गया. This was Columbia's 28th space flight. बेटे, it was Columbia's 28th space flight. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, it is able to travel 100 times. तो ये 28th फ्लाइट में and the space was the shuttle was to be good for 100 flights. तो जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि ये 100 flights के लिए good था, but it just ended down in its 28th flight. सिर्फ 28 ही अपनी flights कर सका and it then just ended up in tragedy. ठीक है? So Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal. So you must know that Kalpana Chawla belongs to Karnal, that is in Haryana. That proud woman, that woman who made us proud, who made all the Indians proud, she belonged to Karnal, a state in Haryana, that she would cross the frontiers of space. Space के borders. बेटे, हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. We are just sitting in Fakwada and we cannot imagine sometimes कि space कैसा होगा, या हम इस टाइम पे बैठे नहीं सोच सकते कि हम कभी space का border भी cross करेंगे. It becomes very difficult for us to cross the border of this country. हम में से तो कई लोग out of India भी नहीं जा पाते हैं. और कल्पना चावला देखो, वो तो space में चली गई. She never dreamed in her childhood that she would cross the borders of space. उसने कभी ये सपना नहीं देखा था. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Tagore School से graduation करने के बाद it was enough for her that she was allowed to go to engineering college. उस टाइम पे ये भी बहुत होता था कि कोई आपको आगे पढ़ने के लिए परमिशन ही दे देता है. तो it was enough for her. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father. Opposition means resistance, मना करना. अपने father से बहुत ज़्यादा opposition के बाद भी she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. वो master degree करने के लिए means MSc करने के लिए, bachelor होता है BSc. अगर हम science में करते हैं, if I talk about science stream, then it is BSc, and she went to America to do her MSc. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. वहां देखिए उसने अमेरिका में रहते अपनी PhD भी की. Philosophy, doctorate of philosophy. B means doctorate and PH means philosophy. किसी भी फील्ड में हो सकती है. Like Kalpana did it in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off. Blast off means lift off, take off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. अब फ्लोरिडा के लॉन्च पैड से टेक ऑफ करने वाली वो पहली इंडियन वुमेन थी. सी द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ कल्पना चावला. शी इज कल्पना चावला, द ग्रेट इंडियन वुमेन. वो पहली ऐसी इंडियन थी. And participate in a successful mission in space, and she just participated successfully in the mission because their crew conducted 80 experiments over there and all were successful. Although it just destroyed, the space shuttle just destroyed while landing. Otherwise, they were successful in keeping all the experiments. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. उसकी फैमिली इंडिया से, एवरीथिंग वाज बीइंग लाइव टेलीकास्ट ऑन टीवी. लाइव टेलीकास्ट चल रहा था तो उसकी फैमिली इंडिया से उसको एनकरेज कर रही थी along with staff. पूरे स्टाफ के साथ उसको एनकरेज किया जा रहा था at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. जैसे ही वो कोलंबिया को लिफ्ट ऑफ करते उन्होंने देखा, they just started encouraging their daughter. They just started encouraging Kalpana Chawla. So bete, we have done 2 paragraphs of this chapter, so you are requested to read these 2 paragraphs again and find out the any tough word. If you feel anything difficult or tough, you can ask me tomorrow, but try to find out the words from your dictionary also. And the homework मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है, कुछ phrases के आपको meanings पता करने हैं, and there is some difference between British and American English, so 2 words have been given, program and airplane, so you will get to know how to write it in British English. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you, bete.